Guys, check this out. This is called active geometry. It opens up when the tire moves. Look at it opening up there. Because it's all closed off. All of this is closed, so this needs to move. This is the BMW Vision Next 100. It opens with a sensor here. There we go. This is Christian. Thank you very much. Awesome. So I'm just going to show you around this car. It's in driving mode right now. Steering wheel is out. All of this is in red. Now, if you put it in autonomous mode, press this. Wheel disappears and this little diamond comes out. And this light goes on to tell pedestrians that the car is now driving by itself. The coolest thing is this. Check out what these little diamonds do here. These little triangles. Look at that. It's like a reptile skin. It's almost like it's breathing. What that does is when the car detects an object that you can't see, it will let you know by kind of moving these little triangle shapes on the dash. Come and take a look outside. Here's that light flashing for people to know that it's in autonomous mode. You hear a little click on this one. You see how much space there is here in this car. These seats, almost like lounge chairs, the back of the car. This car is fully drivable. You actually do use the pedals and the steering wheel to drive it. Better get out of the way. Right here, in this truck. It is so exclusive that there are bodyguards right now. One here, another one down there, and another one over here. For the first time, this car is going to come into the real world just for us to see right now. Guys, check this out. This is the BMW Vision M Next. Laser wire lights in the back. These are covered for better aerodynamics here in the back. This is how you open the door. Press this. And you've got i8 doors. This is recycled carbon fiber, and then when you get in, this BMW logo lights up to welcome you. You press this, and it shows you the first display. These are modes, driving modes. And then you press this here, and this display comes up. Look at this. This is heart rate display. So, when you hold your hands on the steering wheel, it's actually reading your heart rate. It's like being on an elliptical at the gym, right? So you've got the rev meter here, and then you've got the boost. Once this is ready, this will actually give you a boost from the electric motors. This is a gyroscopic cup holder, which means when you've got a drink in there, it's constantly shifting so the drink doesn't spill over into the cup. Now, as a world's exclusive right here, right now, we're gonna see this car drive